Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, I have started an important series on Indian polity, and in the previous video, I have completed three important questions of polity. These questions will benefit those aspirants who are going to appear in the upcoming competitive exams, especially the UPSC ISC prelims. So let us continue this series and start this video by question number 4 of Indian polity. Question number 4 is, which among the following is or true with regard to privileges and immunities enjoyed by President of India? Option number first is, he enjoys personal immunity from legal liability for his official acts. Statement 2, during his term of office he is immune from any criminal proceedings. Statement 3, however, after giving 2 months notice, criminal proceedings can be initiated against him during his term of office in respect of his personal acts. Now choose correct answer. Option A is 2 only, option B is 1 and 2, option C is 2, 3, option D is 1, 2 and 3. And the solution of the question number 4 is option B, that is statement 1 and 2. Option B is our correct answer, and the statements are 1 and 2, which are, he enjoys personal immunity from legal liability for his official acts. This is correct statement. Statement 2 is, during his term of office he is immune from any criminal proceedings. This statement is also correct. And statement 3 is incorrect. Let us find out why statement 3 is incorrect. The President of India is entitled to a number of privileges and immunities. He enjoys personal immunity from legal liability for his official acts. During his term of office, he is immune from any criminal proceedings, even in respect of his personal acts. He cannot be arrested or imprisoned. However, after giving 2 months notice, civil proceedings can be initiated against him during his term of office in respect of his personal acts. Let us check the statement 3. Statement 3 is, by cursory view, you can opt is correct, but after stating it with a bit consciousness and in depth, we can find out the incorrect wording in the statement, that is, after giving 2 months notice, criminal proceedings. This statement, that is criminal proceedings, this is a wrong statement, because we can initiate civil proceedings, not the criminal proceedings, against the president during his term of office in respect of his personal acts. Statement 3 notes the criminal proceedings, which is wrong. The statement will be correct if we have wrote it as, however, after giving 2 months notice, civil proceedings, not criminal proceedings, can be initiated against him during his office term in respect of his personal acts. This might have been correct. So this is the solution of question number 4. Let us move to question number 5. Consider the following statement with regard to President of India and choose the incorrect statement. We have to choose the incorrect statement from the below 4 options. Statement first is, when a vacancy occurs in the office of the president due to his resignation, removal, the vice president acts as the president. Statement 2 is, impeachment is quasi-judicial in the parliament. Statement 3 is, president can hold the office beyond his term of 5 years until his successor assumes charge. And statement 4 is, while in USA a person cannot be elected to the office of president more than twice. In India, a person can be elected for any number of times. And incorrect statement in the above options is option A, which is, when a vacancy occurs in the office of the president due to his resignation, removal, the vice president acts as the president. In this option, word removal is not correct. Vice president acts as the president when a vacancy occurs on the grounds of his resignation let us find more about the option A and study it in depth. The president holds office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office. However, he can resign from his office at any time by addressing the resignation letter to the Vice President of India. Further, he can also be removed from the office before completion of his term by the process of impeachment. The president can hold office beyond his term of 5 years until his successor assumes charge. He is also eligible for re-election to that office. He may be elected for any number of terms. However, in USA, a person cannot be elected to the office of president more than twice. The president can be removed from office by a process of impeachment for violation of the Constitution. The impeachment charge can be initiated by either house of the parliament, and impeachment is a quasi-judicial procedure in the parliament. When a vacancy occurs in the office of the president due to his resignation, removal, death, or otherwise, the vice president acts as the president until a new president is elected. However, when the vacancy is going to be caused by the expiration of the term of the sitting president, an election to fill the vacancy must be held before the expiration of the term. In case of any delay in conducting the election of the new president by any reason, the outgoing president continues to hold office beyond his term of 5 years until his successor assumes his charge. This is provided by the Constitution in order to prevent an interim. In this situation, the vice president does not get the opportunity to act as president or to discharge the functions of the president. Hence, statement A is incorrect. The source of this question is Indian Polity, M. Lakshmikant, chapter Parliament. Let us move to the question number 6. Which among the following is or true with regard to Vice President of India? Statement first is, Vice President is accorded a rank next to the President in the official warrant of proceedings. The office of President is molded on lines of American Vice President. No ground has been mentioned in the Constitution for his removal. Now we have to choose the correct answer. A 1 only, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 2, D 1, 2 and 3. And the solution of the question number 6 is D option, which is 1, 2 and 3. That means all the three statements mentioned in the question are correct. Vice President is accorded a rank next to the President in the official warrant of precedence. The office of President is molded on the lines of American Vice President. This is also correct. No ground has been mentioned in the Constitution for his removal. This statement is also correct. Let us study more about the Vice President election. The Vice President occupies the second highest office in the country. He is accorded a rank next to the President in the official warrant of the precedence. This office is molded on the lines of the American Vice President. In his statements 1 and 2 are correct. The Vice President can be removed from the office before completion of his term. A formal impeachment is not required for his removal. He can be removed by a resolution of the Rajya Sabha passed by an absolute majority, that a majority of the total members of the House and agreed to by the Lok Sabha. So, the impeachment process of the Vice President starts from the Rajya Sabha, not from the Lok Sabha. This point must be kept in the mind. But no such resolution can be moved unless at least 14 days advance notice has been given to the Vice President. Notably, no ground has been mentioned in the Constitution for his removal. His statement 3 is also correct. The source of this question is Indian Polity, M. Lakshmikant, chapter Vice President. So guys, these were 3 important questions in Indian Polity section. These questions will benefit you in the upcoming competitive examinations, especially UPSC IAS prelims. So guys, please kindly like, comment, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.